Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we are going to be taking those wonderful fall candles we all love and turning them into something a little unique. So I started off by finding fall images that I really liked. I found a pumpkin, and then I found this falling for fall, which we know we all do. And went ahead and I measured my candle both around and the height, and I adjusted the images correctly. I wanted the pumpkin on one side and falling for fall on the other. After I found those heights, I then made sure to change the colors so they all coordinated with one another. Because I wanted the hearts to be more orange. And then I went to making it. And if done correctly when cutting out the vinyl, you can actually just peel the vinyl and just put it right on to the candle. So I went through and I checked and made sure everything looked good, and then had the Cricut get to cutting. Once everything was all cut out with the Cricut, I laid it all out. And again, what I did was reverse weed. Super easy because it was on glass. I started with the pumpkin first. And again, you want to know your layers. So I started with the black, worked my way around. And then once that was done, I then went on to the pumpkin and laid that on top as well. I then went to the falling for fall on the back, and the way I did it, I made sure that right where the edges of the pumpkin vines looped around on the sides, that there was just enough room for falling for fall on the back side. Now you don't have to do both these designs, you can do one or the other, but I like both, so I went ahead and did both. Then once I had all of the vinyl removed from the candle that I did not want on it, I then started placing the falling for fall leaves and hearts all around the candle. I did not just limit it to just around the falling for fall. There you have it, a unique candle. Now if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you want to get a notification every time I post a new video, go ahead and click that bell. Comment below any future ideas you would like me to go ahead and make. And as always, have a super day.